have heard of him from the newspapers. He is responsible for bringing the Terry Fox run to Chennai. And he is here to give us a short speech today. Please listen, I hope you enjoy it.
Good morning everyone, my name is Akash Patel. Last year I was diagnosed with cancer, but I am able to stand here before you today and talk to you fully cured because of the research that was done before. I'll have to admit that that period of my life when I was going through the treatment was probably the most terrifying I've ever experienced. And while going through the long treatment, I wanted some way to give back to the people who had helped me so much. I came across a phrase by Lance Armstrong that said, pain is temporary, but quitting is forever. And that's when I wanted to organize the Terry Fox run in Chennai. Terry Fox was a man, actually he was just a boy. He was 17 years old when he was diagnosed with bone cancer, and he lost his right leg and had to be amputated. Even after losing his leg, he wanted to spread awareness about cancer, and it was his dream to run from the Pacific to the Atlantic. He ran 5,300 kilometers with one prosthetic limb, but he was never able to complete his entire run because the cancer returned and he died before he could. His spirit lives on though, and they hold this run in his name all over the world. There are over 600 runs. The run is to collect money for cancer research, basic research into the true nature of cancer, helping us understand it so that we can truly beat it. And also to spread awareness about cancer, because there's so much that people don't know. There's so much that people are afraid to ask. And that's why I believe this run is a really great thing. It's not only a run, it's not necessary to do it as a race. You can walk, you can cycle, you can bring rollerblades if you like. You can do any form of non-motorized transport you want. And it's not necessary to complete the entire 6.4 kilometers. You can do as much as you like, and at the end, all participants will get a certificate of participation. The run this year is going to be this Sunday in the IIT campus, so it'll start at the OAT. You can come anytime between 7 and 11. The registration, there's no fee, there's no minimum donation amount. It's completely up to you, however much you want to give. If you just like to come and run, that's perfectly fine. And I hope you'll all come. Like I said, I'm fully cured because Terry Fox ran for me. So I want to invite all of you to come to